Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to add WhatsApp button on Wix website. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So first thing you need to do here is you need to go to your Wix account and your Wix website. In this case, go to wix.com, log in into your account, and open up the website that you want to add your WhatsApp button. Now in this case, once in here, click on the edit site button at the top right of the screen, and this should actually open up this specific editor here for your website. Now in this case, for us to add a chat button or the WhatsApp button here, we need to use a widget for it. Now in this case, we'll be using Elfsight. Now in this case, go ahead and go to elfsight.com. Create your account, which is usually at the top right here. You should see the sign up or log in button. Now in this case, go to the widget tab here, and once in here, just type in the following, which is going to be WhatsApp, and just press on enter. Now from here, you should see the WhatsApp chat here. Go ahead and click on it, and from here, what we need to do next is we need to choose the template for our WhatsApp chat. Now in this case, I am satisfied with this option here, so let's go ahead and click on continue with this template. Now from here, it's going to ask us about some details about our WhatsApp bubble here. So like for example, the phone number or URL here, the chat bubble here. So if you want to change that, you could go ahead. You can also change the chat header here if you want to, the welcome message as well. So in this case, you could go ahead and edit whatever that you want here. Then you also have these settings here, like for example, positioning, chat display settings here, and the notifications, and even the appearance here. You can change the color for it. Now in this case, once you've done that, go ahead and click on add to website for free, and it's going to start saving your widget here. And from here, you should be able to see this UI again. Just click on the publish at the top right of your screen, and from here, choose the free plan here. Click on select, and once you've done that, you should be able to copy the code here. And from here, go back into your editor, click on the add elements option here. And what we need to do next is we need to embed a code. So go ahead and click on embed code here. And once you've done that, click on the embed HTML here. Let's go ahead and click on the plus button or add to site button here. And from here, just paste your code here. Click on update. And from here, you could go ahead and close this one. Position it anywhere here, so it's going to be automatically added. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on the save button here. And once you've done that, we could go ahead and click on publish now. And from here, we could go ahead and click on view site here to view our changes, and we should be able to see the changes that we have. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and go back in here and position it accordingly. In this case, just click on the X at the top right here. Position your chat bubble anywhere on your website. So in this case, you could go ahead and do that. So maybe I want to put it at the very bottom here. And from here, go ahead and click on save and publish again. And from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.